calculate with Domino Stones. Sorry, I don't have Domino Stones, so that's because I draw it, but you can make both. Use the real Domino Stones or draw it like me, I did it here. So here you see 3 multiplied with 4, how many it will be, 2 multiplied with 3, 4 multiplied with 4, 4 multiplied with 6, 5 multiplied with 8. When you have real domino stones, you only have to turn it down, and you calculate what is coming there. So it can be also more fun, and it helps to learn to calculate by playing.